CHZ basically faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ sort of acquired roughly 8.87% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20, which basically is very critical. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week acquiring 18.15%, showing how CHZ generally acquired around 8.87% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, in spite of prevalent thinking. 11 November 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these often truly got clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is certainly transient cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ a wise interest in an especially large manner. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us for the most part, discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034, which most certainly is very critical. The absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $65,076,358,619, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which certainly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 2.28 and as of now exchanging at 67 cents, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,410,776,640,034 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Right now, a really broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $65,076,358,619 in an especially large manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time span, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours incredibly. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors explicitly become move kind of dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78. following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in a real sense is at $0.083, up 8.87% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 18.15% over the course of the week, sort of additional appearance how CHZ certainly faces opposition at 20 cents in an essentially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 125,499,019.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to 630,126,092 United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. There basically are practically 7,565,079,839 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which truly shows that following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, is at $0.083. Up 8.87% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 18.15% over the course of the week, truly further appearance how CHZ in a real sense faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz value examination CHZ cost investigation for 11 November 2023, inside an everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to for the most part examine the future development of the Chilliz, showing how 11 November 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ an excellent venture, which sort of is very critical. The overall strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin for the most part is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which by and large means CHZ especially is in oversold zone, and a pattern truly inversion really is conceivable, showing that CHZ explicitly acquired roughly 8.87% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. The Chilliz basically has in every way that really matters, break all its by and large backings levels and things in every way that really matters are not looking great for the crypto market, which essentially is very huge. As of now, basically bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ